Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you like to clean out those paintbrushes and rollers full of paint when you're done painting? Yeah, me either. That's my least favorite part of painting. But this multi-purpose tool by PinStone is a wonderful thing for me to have around after I get done painting. It has really handy little grooves and notches and combs that easily push out that paint from rollers, comb out that paint from your brushes. It not only does a better job than I ever could do with my hands, but it also takes me less time, which is so nice. For the rollers, it has different size notches, so it works with many different kinds of rollers. This thing not only helps with cleanup, but it also helps from the beginning of your project with this handy can opener on the end and a scraper and a little point on the end to be able to scrape any paint that you're working with or bumps on your wall. I also appreciate the blade is stainless steel, so it is rust resistant, which is nice for me because I am rough on tools, especially paint tools can rust out really easily. The handle is also a beautiful birch. You can just tell this thing is such high quality, totally worth it. So if you're wanting to extend the life of those paint tools to save money, save time while doing so, I highly recommend this little paint tool by PinStone, but that's just my point of view.